This 5-minute solution will show you how to install Fortnite on Android. As you can see, currently the Fortnite is installing on my Android device. Now let's see how you can download and install the Fortnite. But before that, I'm going to uninstalling my Epic Games Store app from my Android device. So first of all, you have to open a browser on your Android device, and then you have to search for Epic Game for Android, Epic Game APK download. Search for Epic Game APK download, and here you will get this official Epic Game website. So all you have to do is just open this epicgames.com/Android Fortnite mobile. I'm going to disable desktop version. And here you will get Epic Game app APK. So click on download and download it. So I've already downloaded it. So I'm going to tapping on Epic Games app.apk, and now tap on install. And once it's installed, open Epic Games Store. Once you are in Epic Game Store, here you will get Fortnite. So all you have to need, just click on Fortnite and tap on install or launch, and Fortnite game will start to install. As you can see, the file size is 11.43 gigabyte, and it may take some time to install it on your Android device. Once it's successfully installed, you'll be able to easily play Fortnite game on your Android device. So this is how we can install Fortnite on Android. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.